The freshly harvested potatoes tumble onto the conveyor belt, beginning their journey from the field to the market. As the sun begins to set, the freshly dug potatoes tumble from the rich soil towards the cellar.
The yellow straps and chains must be regularly inspected for wear, especially the tension indicator lines visible on the winch and binder. Securing the load properly is paramount. The extreme tension on these heavy-duty straps and chains prevents any shifting.
देखिए बेगम ब्लशर का चार कर सकते हैं इस विबे जैसे मुंडे के इस वीक ने साइड तो फ्रैक्चर को बनते खांगे.
The potatoes arrive daily, stored in these specialized green crates on pallets, awaiting distribution from the main processing yard. Each crate is carefully labeled with a unique barcode, ensuring full traceability from the farm to the consumer.
Moving with maximum efficiency, the potatoes are thoroughly washed by high-pressure spray nozzles, removing any remaining soil.
The potatoes are rigorously cleaned by high-pressure water jets to remove residual soil before the peeling stage.
Utilizing high-speed cameras and infrared sensors, the system can detect even the slightest blemish, ensuring only
High-pressure water jets ensure a vigorous wash, removing any remaining debris and starch for optimal sanitation.
This optical character recognition system inspects every unit, verifying the print quality before the products move to packaging.
Utilizing the new robotic wrapping system, we can secure up to 40 pallets an hour, minimizing film usage while maximizing stability.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision and organization are paramount. The seamless movement of goods ensures optimal productivity.
The scale of this operation is truly unprecedented, a symphony of steel and software.
Here we see the automated packing line, capable of sorting thousands of units per hour with minimal error.
Here in the snack aisle, linear perspective is used to draw the consumer deeper into the retail landscape.
The sheer density of the snack aisle is a calculated move designed to maximize impulse buys. Every color,
The perfect crunch begins with a precise cut of the potato, capturing flavor in every wave.